Keoma is about well-made products that can be repaired, recycled and reused. People want to align themselves with the integrity that the products are made with. Whether that's Freitag, whether that's Birkenstock, or whether that's working with friends like Brompton. So the director of Birkenstock is also the director of Keoma, and we are the retail partners for Freitag within Australia, so we run them as franchise stores, Freitag by Keoma.
Yoshi and Robert both work for Freitag, and we've all got Coltrane's. Like a little BMX gang, but on Bromptons, yeah.
The Brompton I find fantastic for commuting, just the way that you've got that sort of upright posture, and just the fact that you can actually clip that Coltrane onto the front of it. I find that fantastic. It very easily transfers into a backpack that's perfect to carry around my laptop and camera and everything that I need.
The reason we really got involved is because they made this new sneaker, which has got a wide platform, which means it's really good for pressure on the pedal. And Birkenstock, Freitag and Brompton just seem to go together quite well. They seem to have the same sort of ethos.
The very first Freitag bag that I got, the Dragnet, I've had it for a good 14 years. Had it repaired once as well, so it's still going strong.
There's like-mindedness between Freitag, Birkenstock and Brompton because it's not a throwaway type of thing. They can be repaired and it's going to be with you for a lifetime.